Hello everyone, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. In this moment, I would like to say something about in this place. Okay, so let's get start this video. So actually, dear friends, today I have come here and different place and my another video actually one place I make a video every video I made in our village behind site Masterfield, and today actually I have come another kind of location, and as we can see this is the another person. Actually this not any crops, already paddy field and paddy already harvested, and now it's crops for like white and not grow this plant, but 3 days ago this crops seed. And dear friends, and my behind side this is the big silly field, and I don't go silly field and I stay in this place, and this place and our village actually this is our village. So as you know, my village very essential in our village, so very amazing. And dear friends, actually today I'm not good and my health condition so very weak, because before 3 days ago actually I went to like another place. So at that time I drive like bike, so riding bike. So at that time so my actually health condition so very bad, and actually now I am fever. Okay, so as you know this is the paddy field, paddy already harvested. And dear lovely friends, I feel sick nowadays. Okay, so actually so that is why my English not practice nowadays, and don't practice, and some days practice my English but not regular practice. And dear friends, this is the master field, and actually my daily routine actually so very not tough, very easy, because I wake up early in the morning and I have healthy breakfast, and I go to work, and like not official work but some working in our study task, and go to my shop and opening my shop 9 a.m. and afternoon time I return my home and I have lunch with my family, and then I go to my again open my shop. And actually evening time I make video for learning English, and every single day I make him video for blog video and English conversational video and upload my page. So this is my daily routine, actually very simple. Okay, so now actually not video making purpose I have come here, but I also try for video make. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.